Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Now, first things first, I'd like to congratulate you all because it's Pride Month, and obviously we're celebrating Pride Month on my channel because this channel will always be all about inclusivity and respecting each other and just embracing who we are. So for today's video, I'll be going in for a rainbow eye look. I've already got my foundation, my concealer on, all of that shebang is already done. But now it is time for the video. So for today's look, I'm going in with the dramatic drag style cut crease look, and for the same, I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette, which is what it looks like. And now this is the technique that I learned from James Charles, and the technique is that you grab a angular liner brush and then you trace out your cut crease. I mean, you trace the line of how you want the cut crease to be, and then of course cut it with the concealer and so on and so forth. But if you have a better technique or a better way to do a cut crease, then you do you. But I personally feel like this is a very smart way to get that perfect cut crease look. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this bright yellow right here. Now let's start tracing our cut crease. So we're gonna completely trace our cut crease line once with the yellow color, and then we're gonna go in with different colors. You know how when we were kids and we were supposed to sketch out drawings before we painted them? So that's exactly what we're doing here. I've taken a little bit of more of that yellow and now I'm gonna re-intensify that color. Once the yellow is there, now I'm going to go in with this bright orange color right here. Again, taking it on the same brush, just going to re-intensify that traced line. Now I'm going to go in with a red color, and the red that I'll be taking is this burnt red right here. The next shade that I'm going to go in with is this hot pink. Now I'm going to go in with this small Real Techniques blending brush and start by buffing out that yellow color into my crease. Now with that orange. Finally with the pink. Once we have our cut crease line all traced out, I'm now going to go ahead and blend it with the clean blending brush. So once our crease is all defined, it's now time to cut it. And the concealer that I'll be using for cutting the crease today is by Makeup Revolution called Conceal and Define. I got this concealer from Nykaa and I've been hearing amazing reviews about this concealer. So I thought, why not give it a go? So the crease is cut. I'm going to go in with this bright white right here. Well, it is now time to apply the eyeliner, and of course our wing is going to be slightly longer because we have this whole cut creasy drag situation going on. For drawing my wing, of course, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal. Now that we have our liner on, it is time for us to smoke out that lower lash line. And the first shade that I'm going to use in my lower lash line is this beautiful purple shade right here. And the next shade that I'm going to go in with is this gorgeous blue color right here. So we have our blue in place, and it is now time for this green right here. And just to make everything more defined and sharp, I'll be using my Face's All-Time Pro Gel Kajal. And with this All-Time Pro Kajal, I will be tightlining my upper and lower waterline. So the kajal is on, and now just to add that extra oomph, a flat shader brush that looks like this. Just grabbing my highlighter palette. Now we're using Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm going to put a little bit of this color in my brow bone. Now a little bit in my inner corner. I'm going to dust off the excess powder. So far so good. I like the way this eye looks. I'm gonna go behind the camera, quickly finish this eye and be right back. So guys, the eye look is almost done. It is now time for me to add that mascara on, and it's raining drugstore first impressions today on my channel. So the mascara that I'll be using today is the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. This is what it looks like. It retails for, I believe, 600 bucks, and yeah, we're gonna try it on my channel. Oh, it's not very, I'm not like, you know how Roller Lash and Gigi Hadid mascara just separate out my lashes. I'm not exactly happy with that, so I think I'm gonna go back to the Gigi Hadid mascara. Okay guys, so the lashes are on, and now it is time to cut them cheeks, because any hater, any homophobe, any transphobe, any biphobe, we need those sharp cheeks to cut them off. Going with my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. You know it's my ride or. I'm just gonna grab it on my bronzing brush from Morphe. I'm just gonna bronze up that forehead because it's huge, and I feel like when you can make it look small with makeup, why not? So the cheeks are nice and bronze. And for Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette, I'm gonna go in with this cool tone. Now I'm gonna add some blush to those cheekbones, and I'm gonna tap my brush instead of just swooping it all over the cheek. Now that the blush is on, it's time for the highlighter, and like I said, it's raining drugstore product first impressions on my channel. And of course, I did talk about this in my Instagram stories that I will be trying out the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter that looks like this in the shade 100. Ooh. Let's swatch this a little on our arm. I'm actually living for this highlight. It's very nice and pigmented, and it's going really well with the whole look. That is done, and of course we are going in for a very drag look. And what is drag without some baking? So now that we've put the translucent powder under the contour, I'm quickly gonna grab my face brush and just dust it off. If you've seen drag queens dress up, a very integral part of their makeup is that chisel sharp nose. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. A quick tip for you guys, it's important that you use the same shade on your nose and your cheek contour, otherwise you can look very muddy and weird. So anyway, I took this cool tone shade for my cheek contour, so I'm gonna grab this for my nose as well. You know the drill, my angular contour brush is a fluffy small contour brush. I'm just gonna add some highlight to that nose using the center shade from the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Maybelline whatever highlighter on my nose. We're super close to ending this tutorial. Now that everything else is done, I'm gonna add the lips, and I will be using Huda Beauty's Bombshell lipstick. want to thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, please don't forget to be yourself. Just be who you are. And I love you and your friends love you for who you are, so you don't have to worry about anything. And guys, always remember, love is love. Love does not require labels. Love does not require us to be judged. Let's all do our bit to make sure that it's a safe world for everyone to live. On that note, I'm going to take a leave. Bye bye.